We are now going to explore the 3D layout mode, learning how to navigate and manipulate the 3D view of our PCB using both keyboard shortcuts and mouse interactions. With the PCB document being the active document in our design space, we can go into 3D layout mode by selecting View, then 3D layout mode, or press the 3 key on the keyboard. Once in 3D layout mode, we can use the following circuit keys to quickly change the angle view of the PCB. Press the 8 key to change the 3D view to orthogonal rotation view. Press the 9 key or 0 key for 90-degree rotation or 0 rotation respectively. To manually change the perspective, press and hold the Shift key. An orb should be shown on screen. While still holding Shift, press and hold the right mouse button and move the mouse to change the 3D view. We can grab an area of the orb to move specifically in that direction, or grab empty space to manually maneuver the view. Further, we can control the 3D view from the View menu. Notice that each option also shows its corresponding shortcut keys. To go back into the 2D layout mode, select View, then 2D layout mode, or press the 2 key on the keyboard. The PCB editor is a true 3D design space. In this video, we have explored how to easily toggle between 2D and 3D modes, and how we can navigate and manipulate the 3D view of our PCB.